guys, today I will show how you can install Minecraft. So first you want to open the browser and go to minecraft.net and hit enter. And so you want to press get Minecraft. So you want to press computer, and you are on PC. If you are on Mac, press Mac, or Linux, press Linux. I have PC, Windows, and I need Java and wait. So you want to download. You want to sign in, and you want to log in with your account. Press login. Hello, and then you want to go back to. You want to type in your security questions. And you want to go back to minecraft.net, and then you don't press on support. Press wait. You want to search for a tutorial. And just skip and see. So you want to go to here. Oh yes, go and games. Press Minecraft. It should. Okay, I think this is outdated. So anyways guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you now know how to install Minecraft on your Windows or Mac or Linux PC. Peace.